Hey, how you doing, AP student? So I'm making the video for Wednesday, April 1st, April Fool's Day. I could use a good laugh. I can't really think of any jokes or anything, but it could use a good laugh right now with, everything going on with COVID-19 and all that. Anyway, though, it's great to see you guys. Let's get ahead and see what we have to get done for our assignments for all the way up till Friday. So, for starters, your Unit 2 review, your notes should be done from Heimler's history. Most of you guys were saying that takes about 30 to 40 minutes that we had in our Zoom chat about that. So, a little bit less homework than normal from what we're used to. That's okay. Today's is going to be a little bit more, but we got 2 days to get it done. So today is very much like Unit 1, almost the exact same kind of homework assignment. I want to keep it consistent, regular. What we're going to do is, consistent and regular, just like poop. Sorry, I had to get some kind of joke in there at some point. All right, so our SAQ and LEQ, here's what we're going to get done. Let's go to the handy dandy website. So website, where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Cool. And I got the right website too. Nice. All right, so here is what you need to do. We have another group doc that you go on there and you will find your name. And in your name, you are going to put down your claim, evidence, explanation for the SAQs. Where are the SAQs? Well, they are not here. The SAQs are over here. I got the right one. Here's where we got all our notes. And then if we look here, we have our first SAQ. And, ooh, even Batuta. I had to know I was going to go with the Batuta. All right, so go ahead and read that. And our 3 questions are, if I look at them, identify specific historical evidence of a cultural exchange that would have taken place between North Africa and West Africa. All right. And identify one technological advance that changed the way overland trade took place from 1200 to 1450. And finally, explain one significant way West African governance changed from 1200 to 1450 because of increased land trade. Read this, get to know exactly what's in here. This will give you a lot of hints to write down. If you want to do a really good SAQ, include something about the topic that is in the reading. Some of you lost points for that on the China SAQ because you started writing just about trading, even though the ship was more of a weapon ship. You got to link things together. So link what you can, evidence from this SAQ. By the way, we are going to have another Zoom conference on this. It might be on Friday, or it might even be during spring break or shortly after when we come back. But I'm thinking about having another Zoom conference if we can. Stay tuned on Friday. I'll give you more, on Friday's video, I'll give you more info about that. All right, and your LEQ, our LEQ from the 2019 AP World History exam, except for I just made one change of words, and that's maritime trade. Let's dig in here. In the period of 600 to 1450, trade networks expanded and economic productive capacity increased. Technological innovations and transfers often contributed to this process. Your question, your prompt. Develop an argument that evaluates to the extent to which technological innovations or transfers led to increased economic growth in maritime trade. That's the only thing I changed because our SAQs like overland trade. So I went for the LEQ with maritime trade. See what I did there? And see, nice pun. Okay. Anyway, that's kind of lame. All right. Sea, like the ocean, water, mar. Okay. Anyway, let's go. You're probably like, yeah, I get it, Mr. Wood. Shut up now. All right. I see what you're saying. So salty. All right. Let's keep it going here. All right, we also have a Flipgrid that we are going to do as well. And did I put a due date on there? This Flipgrid that is online, we're going to have this thing be due also at Thursday at 11:59. And make sure you get that done. I will be using your assignments here to make sure that this is what I'll be tracking. This is what I track for attendance to make sure you're in class. When you get assignments done, I put yes, you were present for class. When assignments aren't done, I put you down as absent. So let's go to the Flipgrid. And what do we got there? Okay, our Flipgrid question is, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Let me see. Flipgrid, where are you? Here's a way to find it. So, there it is. Okay, there's the Flipgrid I just made. I should be able to find it. Here's the question, a pretty easy one to answer, but you can definitely argue about this too. By the way, you can reply to people's Flipgrids this time if you want to like go after them and say something they did wrong. As long as you keep it appropriate, it's all good. Feel free to respond to people. You can respond back to someone's answer. And it says, of all the trade routes that existed from 1200 to 1450, which would you want to travel on and why? So include some specific historical evidence in your answer. So 2 things you need to get done are, number 1, you need to get your Flipgrid done, answered by Thursday, 11:59. Also, what you need to do is find your name on here and fill out your claim evidence explanation for your SAQs. All 3 of the SAQs done. For your LEQ, 1 claim evidence explanation like that. So your LEQ, 1 claim evidence explanation. Your SAQs, all 3. All right, guys. I think we can pretty much get that. I will see you all later.